Hello, my name is Paul Mills from Raptorium Core, and I welcome you to Raptor Chain Reaction, where we take a weekly deep dive into business and projects and discuss how we can integrate the Raptorium blockchain. We will also use this space to showcase how community members and others have utilized Raptorium assets when the code is released. Today, we are featuring Cirith Ungol. So who are Cirith Ungol? Cirith Ungol are a heavy metal band from Ventura, California, known for their unique blend of doom and power metal. Were formed in the early 1970s. The band gained a cult following due to their distinctive sound and fantasy-themed lyrics, often inspired by the works of Tolkien. Facing numerous challenges and lineup changes, Cirith Ungol released several influential albums, including Frost and Fire in 1981, King of the Dead in 1984, and Paradise Lost in 1991. The band initially disbanded in the early 1990s, but experienced a resurgence in the popularity in the 2010s, leading to the reunion in 2016. Since then, they have released new music and performed at various international festivals, solidifying their legacy in the heavy metal community. Their achievements include a dedicated fan base, critical acclaim for their unique music style, and a lasting influence on the metal genre. So the purpose of today's show is to explore how the Raptorium blockchain can benefit the band. And that leads us on to the first question. Well, we can start off by talking about NFTs. So NFTs are non-fungible tokens. Cirith Ungol can create exclusive NFTs. These could include digital artwork or rare album covers, or even unique concert footage. Fans can buy and sell and trade these NFTs, creating a brand new revenue stream for the band and also enhancing fan engagement. Then we can talk about fan tokens. Cirith Ungol can issue fan tokens that provide holders with special access to band-related events such as virtual meet and greets, exclusive Q&A sessions, or early access to new music releases. This can create a sense of exclusivity and reward loyal fans to bring the community much closer together. Then we can talk about merchandise and ticket sales. You see, by accepting RTM as a payment method for merchandise and concert tickets, Cirith Ungol can attract cryptocurrency enthusiasts and offer a modern, tech-savvy way for fans to support the band. This can also simplify international transactions and reduce fees associated with traditional payment methods. And then we can talk about crowdfunding and fan support. The band could use RTM to crowdfund new projects such as album recordings. Fans who contribute can receive special rewards such as limited edition merchandise or even exclusive content. This fosters a deeper connection between the band and its supporters. Then we can talk about interactive experiences, which is quite an emerging thing right now, especially with VR. Cirith Ungol can host events where fans can use RTM to purchase tickets or special in-event experiences, such as shout-outs or even song requests. This can create a more interactive and engaging experience for fans. They could use RTM for community building. The band could create a decentralized fan club where membership is tokenized using RTM. Members can receive exclusive content, participate in decision-making processes like voting on set lists, and enjoy other perks that enhance their connection to the band. Cirith Ungol can create gamified experiences where fans complete challenges or participate in band-related activities to earn RTM rewards. This could increase fan engagement and create a fun, interactive way for fans to interact with the band. By integrating RTM assets into their fan engagement strategies, Cirith Ungol can not only enhance the experience for their existing fans, but also attract new ones who are interested in innovative use of cryptocurrency in the music industry. In the world right now, there are several artists who have successfully used blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies to grow their fan bases and also create unique fan experiences. Here I can give you a few examples of those. We could start with the Kings of Leon. The Kings of Leon actually made headlines by releasing their album When You See Yourself as an NFT. This move allowed fans to purchase the album in a unique digital format, which included special perks like limited edition vinyl and also front row concert seats. This innovative approach not only generated significant revenue, but also attracted attention from both music fans and also the crypto community. Then we move on to Grimes. The artist Grimes sold a collection of digital artworks and music as NFTs, generating millions of dollars in a matter of minutes. The NFTs included exclusive music tracks and visual art, providing fans with unique collectibles and experiences. Then we move on to 3LAU. DJ and music producer 3LAU sold his album Ultraviolet as NFTs, allowing fans to own a piece of the album and access exclusive content. This sale actually generated over $11 million, demonstrating the potential of NFTs in the music industry. Now, a popular one is deadmau5, who is an electronic music producer who's been a pioneer in using blockchain technology. He has released various NFTs, including digital collectibles and virtual merchandise, which fans have actually been able to purchase and trade. These initiatives have helped him engage with his tech-savvy fan base and explore new revenue streams. Another popular one is Eminem. Eminem actually launched his own NFT collection called ShadyCon, which included digital action figures and original instrument beats. This collection allowed fans to own a piece of Eminem's creative work and also participate in a new form of fan engagement. Now we move on to a band, Portugal the Men. Don't know whether you've heard of them or not. The band Portugal the Men created their own token called PTM, which fans can use to access exclusive content, also merchandise and also experiences as well. This initiative by the band has helped them build a closer relationship with their fans and also explore ways of fan engagement. These examples illustrate how artists across different genres are leveraging blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies to create innovative fan experiences, generate new revenue streams, and also attract a broader audience. Cirith Ungol can draw inspiration from these successful cases to implement similar strategies using Raptorium assets. So what are the revenue opportunities? I know we've touched on them lightly, but let's dig into that. Revenue opportunities that are literally ripe for the picking right now in blockchain are digital collectibles. Cirith Ungol can create and sell NFTs that represent unique digital assets such as rare album covers, concert footage, or exclusive artwork. Fans can purchase these NFTs, creating a new revenue stream. The band can release special editions of their music as NFTs, offering fans a chance to own their unique piece of their discography. Also, by accepting RTM as a payment method for band merchandise, this can also reduce transaction fees, increasing sales and again, increasing revenue. The band could also use RTM to crowdfund new projects such as recording a new album or funding a tour. Cirith Ungol can issue fan tokens that provide holders with special access to band related events. The band could also host virtual concerts and events where fans can use RTM to purchase tickets or special in-event experiences. Cirith Ungol could offer subscription services where fans pay a monthly fee in RTM or a Cirith Ungol created token to access exclusive content. Another thing is once smart contracts are available on Raptorium, the band could use them to automate royalty payments for their music. The band can create gamified experiences where fans can complete challenges or also participate in band-related activities to earn RTM rewards. Cirith Ungol can create a decentralized fan club where membership is tokenized using RTM. You see, by exploring these revenue opportunities, the band can not only enhance their financial stability, but also create unique and engaging experiences for their fans, which hopefully will foster a stronger and more loyal fan base. So what steps are involved in integrating RTM assets into the band's operations? So the first thing really, I think, is the band needs to get on board with technology and learn about RTM. So learn about what Raptorium is and how it works, and also decide what you want to achieve with RTM. Is it more revenue or a better fan engagement, or a bit of both? The band would need to set up the wallets, so make your Raptorium wallets to store your Raptorium and your RTM based assets safely. You would also need to use strong passwords and two-factor authentication to protect the wallets. Then you would need to set up your website or your online store to accept RTM for your merchandise. You could also work with services that support RTM payments. You could work with our community artists to create unique digital items like album covers or concert videos. Then you could list these items on supported NFT marketplaces where fans can buy them. You would need to announce to your fans about using RTM assets through social media and your website. And you could offer perks by, giving fans special deals or exclusive content if they use RTM. You could let fans buy your merchandise and tickets using RTM, and you could make the buying process easy and clear. You could use RTM to raise money for new albums, and you can give special rewards to fans who contribute. You create tokens that give fans special access to events or content, and start a fan club where membership is bought with RTM. It's really easy to keep an eye on your RTM transactions, and you can evaluate your success very easily, and you can check if your goals are being met and also make changes if needed. We can provide direct assistance from the Raptorium development team for setting up wallets and solving technical issues. We can also provide video guides on how to use RTM, set up your wallets, and also creating digital assets. We have many blog posts that explain different processes step by step that we can point you in the right direction with. We have various tools to manage your wallets and get alerts for transactions. We have an updated Explorer. What this does is it allows you to easily track and manage your digital assets, and there's a lot of APIs and things on there that can allow you to integrate with your website a lot better and to track what's going on. So by using these support services and resources, Cirith Ungol can smoothly integrate Raptorium assets into their operations, creating new ways to engage with fans and generate revenue. By choosing Raptorium over other chains, Cirith Ungol can benefit from lower costs, better scalability, enhanced security, and an extremely strong community support. These advantages can help the band create unique fan experiences and generate new revenue streams more effectively. Thanks for joining us on this first episode, and we will be back next Wednesday for another. Cheers, guys.